Yo, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy C's once again from theCeesoflife.com, and I just wrapped up day 1 of week 2 from the preparation phase that I'm on. I'm going to try and sneak in one more training session in tomorrow before I fly out to Utah. But I wanted to go into detail on what I experienced going through day 1 of week 2. And so started off with the dumbbell front rack squats. Worked my way up to 50 pounds, so 4 sets of 10 reps, 50-pound dumbbells each hand. Then we went into the step-ups. Now the step-ups is where I noticed a ton of imbalances. Now one of the major imbalances that I've noticed is my right leg. You know, I'm favoring it, and my stability in my right hip isn't as strong as I would like. So this is why it's so important to go through these preparation phases before you go into the more strenuous training programs, is because it allows you to figure out where the imbalances are so that you're not stacking on top of that dysfunction. And also my grip strength. You know, my grip strength is shot because I just worked my way up to only 45-pound dumbbells, and my grip wasn't holding up at all. And that's going to be key for like deadlifting heavier weight as my strength goes up. So unilateral exercises, I'm not that strong, especially on my right leg. I think that's geared to the fact I have this knot that's been just terrorizing me in my top of my right QL. And I've been trying to do some soft tissue massages, getting massages to try to help out with that. Also in this training session, been doing a lot of postural work. So I'm doing a lot of face pulls, band external rotations, and also dead bugs to get my core firing when need to, especially when I'm doing my unilateral exercises. So that was week 1. No, sorry, that was week 2, day 1. I'm gonna try and sneak in day 2 tomorrow before I fly out, because I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to be able to get to the gym, get to a gym while I'm in Utah. So I want to get in as much as lifting volume as I possibly can. Done my training for the day with my personal training clients, and now I just got just a few more emails I got to send for my online training clients. And yeah, I'm going to like really try and get this handled within the next 3 weeks, so that when I go into the next phase of programming, everything have like a nice solid foundation. All right, so I'm going to end this video here. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and holla at your boy.